everyone, here's Joseph from Russian Package. We are specialized in package designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a cosmetics package. Look at here. It is made by wet press floor sugar cane puff with black toner, which is molded by this shape. It doesn't need two extra coats to make, and in the surface it is very smooth, and on the other side it is have mesh texture. And on here it is have a big logo. There is also molded by our mold, and on here it is have a recycle logo. In addition, there is a groove to place the product. It is have a good holding effect to the product. Of course, if you want to design other colors factory package, as long as you provide pattern color number for us, we can design it for you. In addition, our product has achieved zero pollution, zero addition, and zero emission in the production process. The wastewater and cutting color material can be reused. Including defective products can also be recycled to achieve the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. If you're interested in our products, welcome to contact with us and get a free sample. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.